Hello friends, this video is about Ielts writing task 1, the table. Let's read the information provided by Ielts first. The table shows the reason for studying English language for the people of Japan. The information is based on a survey that was conducted in year 2000. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So here we have reasons and it's 8 reasons and percentage of people. So let's see the pen9 answer structure for Ielts writing task 1 and then we are going to write a sample answer. Okay, so this is the pen9 answer structure for Ielts writing task 1. First we have to write introduction, then overview, then body paragraphs. Here we can also write only one body paragraph if you want, but to group the information properly I have written 2 body paragraphs. So first in introduction, we just paraphrase the information provided by Ielts. Then in overview, we write the main stacking feature of the table, like what is the highest percentages and what region has the lowest percentages, like that. Then in body paragraph, we explain everything, like everything about the table. So let's start with the introduction. Here in introduction, we have to just paraphrase the information provided by Ielts. So let's read the information first. The table shows the reasons for studying English language for the people of Japan. The information is based on a survey that was conducted in year 2000. Here I have just paraphrased it. The given table provides information about the factors that compel the Japanese people to learn English. So it is very easy, we have to just use some synonyms and set the sentence accordingly. So let's see, I have used here provides information instead of shows, and there are number of words that you can use instead of these, like these words: shows, indicates, compare, illustrates, describes, gives information about, provides information about, and reveals. So you can just write any word from these here, but you have to change the sentence little bit according to that. And that's all in introduction. Now let's see the pen9 answer structure and see what we have to do next. Here we have done introduction. Let's move to the overview. So in overview, we just write the main striking feature of the graph of the table. Here I have written the reason that contribute most to learn English language and contribute least to learn English language reason. So in overview, we have to write overall first, so the examiner get that we have written overview here over here. So overall, we have to write it at the beginning. So overall, most of Japanese learn English to facilitate their foreign travel. So here, foreign travel abroad is the main reason for them to learn English, and the least of them acquired English to meet the requirement of employer. So here 3% is least, and the training provided by the employer is the least reason to learn English language. Here I have used learn first and then acquired, so you have to use different synonyms for the same thing to avoid repetition of a single word. So here we have done overview. So let's see pen9 answer structure and see what we have to do next. So here we have done introduction, we have done overview. Let's move to the body paragraph. So in writing a body paragraph is very easy. We have to just explain everything in the graph, like if I'm going to write, like first I'm going to write about the highest percentage, then followed by that, and I group the information like that. So let's see the first body paragraph. Now the prime occupational reason for taking up English studies was to use it on abroad travel, so which was at 56%. So first I have written about the highest percentage 56% for travel upload. It was followed by business tools, which is at 39%. So this is business tool and it is at 39%, which is the second highest. Nearly one-fifth of English learners in Japan did it for foreign education, and about 2% less than that did it to get promoted in their existing job. So here nearly one-fifth of English learners. So here study abroad is about 20%, so nearly one-fifth I have written. If it is 20%, then I can write one-fifth of English learners. But it is 90%, so I have written nearly one-fifth of English learners. And 2% less than that, like 70% here, is did it to get promoted in their existing job. So here promotion in existing job. So let's see the main words here. Here I have used the which to link the sentences here. Then nearly one-fifth, so we have to just use different words like this. Here instead of writing the percentage, I have used this nearly one-fifth, and then again to instead of writing about 70%, I have used 2% less than that. So we can use some more vocabularies like this, less than that, and okay. So for this body paragraph, this is all. Let's see the another one. Here this is body paragraph 2. So after we are about promotion in 70%, then other reasons I have written in this paragraph. Making new friends was a reason to learn English for 13% people. Nearly 1 in 10 Japanese who studied English did it so for working abroad, living with an English-speaking spouse, whereas only 3% of people learn English to get training provided by the employer. So here making new friends. Okay, make new friends, it is at 13%. Okay, so I have written it just straightforwardly. Then nearly 1 in 10. So about 10% here. Here again it is not perfectly 10, so I have written nearly 1 in 10 who studied English. And here also having a foreign spouse, it's 11%, so I have also written about 1 in 10 for the same. And whereas only 3% of people, so this is the last one, only 3% of people learn. Okay, let's see the main words here, nearly 1. So we have to write it when you are not writing the exact number. I can here also use around 1 in 10 or approximately 1 in 10. Then here whereas the linking word that I have used here. So this is it. And if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to make more videos about Ielts writing and reading.